The perfect brunch board for any spring gathering is right here. Then you want to mix it all up. Spring has sprung, and that means that it's time to make a springtime charcuterie board for all of your gatherings that you're gonna have this time of year. So we're gonna be making waffles, we're gonna put some berries on there, and then make some deviled eggs with some turkey bacon. Ooh, it is gonna be so good. So regardless of the type of event you are planning, this charcuterie board will be the perfect addition to any get together with your friends and family. So stay tuned because this is gonna be so good. Let's do it. Everybody, we're gonna get started with our waffles first because who doesn't love a good waffle? So we're gonna use this protein mix. So your waffles are gonna have 10 grams of protein. So not only are they gonna be delicious, they are gonna keep you full all day long, or a good chunk of the day. So what you wanna do is use 3/4 cup, add this to your mixing bowl, and then you wanna take 1/2 cup of water, add that in. Now, when you're making the waffles, you also want to add 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil. Then you want to mix it all up.
We come alive.
It's always a good time to do a little jig.
We come alive.
Do a little dance. Get down tonight. Get down tonight. All right, this is a PG show, okay? Don't be talking like that. Okay. So now we are gonna pull out our little waffle maker. Look how cute. You want to spray it on both sides with some cooking spray. I'm using olive oil spray. This is where you can also use 1/4 cup to pour in your waffle mix, but I like to live life on the edge and I'm just gonna eyeball it. So you're just gonna easily pour in here. Then we're just gonna close that and let her cook. So you wanna let these cook for about 5 to 6 minutes until they're nice and brown. In the meantime, we have our oven heating up in the background and that is set to 425 degrees. So we can start prepping our sheet pan with our turkey bacon so we can pop those in as soon as the oven is ready. We want to take some aluminum foil, put that on our baking sheet. All right, and then we have some organic Applegate turkey bacon. All of the ingredients for this charcuterie board are gonna be in the description below of this video, so be sure to go down there, check it out, and you'll have links. You wanna spray this with some olive oil because you don't want the turkey to stick. And then we're gonna take our turkey bacon and lay it out on the sheet. Yummy. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Can you say yum? So once the oven is ready, we can slide these in and let them cook for about 20 to 25 minutes. Set that back there. Okay, we're gonna need some more waffles because this is gonna be a big event. So we are going to follow the instructions on the back, which is to make this whole bag. So we're gonna put this whole bag in. Oh yeah. And we need 2 cups. Woohoo! Now we're talking. And then we're gonna add, ooh, hello, don't run away on me now. We're gonna add 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. Yum! Look at that waffle. Ooh, that looks good. Here, I'm going to pull out the 1/3 cup Okay, our oven just went off in the background, so that means we can put our bacon in. Okay, we're gonna let that cook to 20 to 25 minutes till it's ready. Okay, here we go. That these are getting a little too crispy at 5 minutes, so let's lean into more of like 3 minutes. So for some visual appeal on our charcuterie board, we're gonna take some pepperonis and we're gonna make a pepperoni rose by wrapping them around the opening of a wine glass, because that's gonna give us a small enough opening that we'll be able to work our way around. And then by the end of this, we're gonna have a rose. Now that our bacon is ready and our waffles are looking delicious, it's time to start putting together our charcuterie board. Let's go. Okay friends, our charcuterie board is finished. So now all you have to do is provide a couple of small plates for your guest and some charcuterie baby forks and some baby tongs. And then they'll be able to pick up the waffles, the turkey bacon, the pepperoni roses, blueberries, raspberries, cheese, butter, and syrup. The perfect brunch board for any spring gathering is right here. So now we're ready for our guests to arrive, and in the meantime, you can start to enjoy yourself. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you have any questions about how to do something, be sure to put that in the comments below. And if you have any recommendations on what to cook next, comment below as well. So until next time, I will see you guys soon. Bye y'all.